Hey guys, today we are going to be reviewing and unboxing this toy here. It's called the Waterfall Ring Toss. And I think it's by Tommy, I'm not sure. But yeah, it looks pretty cool. So let's take it out of the packaging. So I did actually just get this. So yeah. So here's the packaging. Not anything special about it. Okay, and here is the toy. Now let's see how it works. Okay, so the front here, it looks like there's like a lot of buttons here. I don't think you can press them because I'm pressing them, but they're not working. And here, this doesn't work either because I think that's a speaker or something. That's the volume. I don't know what that is. PSP. Oh, okay, I know. It's a PSP. I don't know what that means. That's nom, which means name in French, I guess. Without the E actually. Here there's a little signature thing. I'm not sure, but this is a very nice design on top, and this is games, which means it is not French. Power hold, so yeah, I can't hold that, but yeah. So now onto the real buttons that you can actually press. So yeah. Okay, so here is a button. I'm not sure what it does. Oh wow. It's cool. Oh my gosh. What the? That's kind of sad for the button. But it's kind of worn out. So I guess this is like really easy to press. Like, oh my gosh. Oh, this one's harder. But still pretty easy. As you can see, I think it blows from those two little holes at the bottom here. You can see two little holes, and I think it blows air through, or wind, but it does move the things. And I think it's the goal. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. 2 blues, 1 blue, and 1 green. That's kind of cool. So I think your goal is to put it onto the hook, which I have actually done before because I've used my other one. This one's harder to press, as you can see. So, there's 2 of them, and yeah. So I didn't really expect this one too much. Anyway, so since this one's kind of harder to press, I rate it something out of 5 stars. What do you guys think? Alright, you guys had enough thinking time. Let's see. So I think I would rate the easy pressing one like 5 stars because it's like super good. But also again, maybe not 5 stars because the buttons you cannot press, but it is very small to carry. So maybe like 4.9 stars. That's kind of weird. Maybe 4.9.9 stars. So yeah, that's what I rate it because like one of them is harder to press, and also because it kind of has like this thing. I don't know what that means. So yeah, but this one's super easy to press. But for this one, I might not rate it like that high because it's really hard to press. So yeah, that's like 4 stars. But then again, I don't really like this either. So I would rate it like 4.5 or so just because you can refill the water and stuff. So yeah, I'll rate this one a 4.5. If it's hard to push, then I would rate it 4.5. But if it's easy, like this one, then I would rate it a 4.9.9. Okay, and now that you know my rates and how it's usually packaged, I will say bye now and see you next time.